délicieux. C'est un velouté de cresson cette saison.
Could you just say that in English quickly?
Today, you are busy, I am busy. No time to cook really. So we're gonna make a quick soup for tonight. And it's a watercress velvety soup. Why velvety? Because we're gonna add some cream. It's delicious and really quick to make.
Recipe for the picky and cold.
2 bottes de cresson. Là, on a 2 belles bottes de cresson, 3 pommes de terre, une échalote, 30 g de beurre, un peu de coriandre fraîche, 20 centilitres de crème liquide, sel, poivre.
And now in English?
2 bundles of watercress, fresh coriander, butter, 3 potatoes, 20 centiliters of liquid cream.
How much butter?
30 grams. Een échalote? Salt and pepper.
In het Nederlands, zout, peper, watercress, koriander, 20 centiliter melk, 3 patatjes, 30 gram boter, echte boter, en een shallotje.
Le cresson, je vais rapidement le nettoyer.
She's going to clean it. She's cleaning it. Ze maakt het schoon. This is great. Do you remember we saw the documentary of the lady that invented this? So, based on a washing machine, on a tumble dryer, this salad dryer. En français.
Je retire les tiges un petit peu fortes. Hein?
So the big...
I'm taking off the bit there.
Yeah, the twigs. I don't know what's... Twigs? I don't know what it's called. Anyway, I'm not translating on the Dutch. People can see what you're doing. So, here we have a pan that I'm going to put on 4. Click, 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 click. Voilà. And to be honest, I can't find a more godly way to be than to know what herbs and spices, which plants do what in nature. I mean, is that not living the message? I am doing an experiment with cayenne pepper, so we'll make a video about that. But I need to collect some data. People like data. And there we go. Avec l'échalote, het shallotje. It's funny how in different languages often it's more or less the same thing.
Put the butter just to melt in the pan.
Dus voordat ze doorgaat met het shallotje te snijden, wordt boter gesmolten in de pan.
And this recipe is for 4 people.
C'est pour 4 personnes, mesdames, messieurs. Voor 4 personen.
Pendant ce temps-là, je vais couper les pommes de terre. On veut que ça cuise vite, donc je vais les couper en petits.
I want it to cook fast. So when you want something to cook fast, you cut it small. The smaller it's cut, the faster it cooks. So it's good to have an assistant. He took the smallest chopping board, honestly.
Là, je mets directement mon cresson.
Your watercress, directly in the pan. Direct with the boter. I thought the potatoes were gonna go first. Silly. Ik dacht dat de aardappels eerst gingen, maar dus niet.
5 minutes.
5 minuten. 5 minuten. Toujours sur 4. I just checked the first video I took and it was I think 10 past 3 when we started, so we're now 8 minutes further. Look at this beautiful. Speedy Gonzales.
Alors, je remue un petit peu.
Remue, it means she mixes it a bit. Even roeren. Smoking break. No.
So it's been 5 minutes. I'm adding the potatoes. On va couvrir d'eau.
In the pan.
Perfect. And then I put the volume a bit up.
The heat. Bring it to boil. Et là, monter. Comment ça s'appelle déjà?
La température.
Ze heeft temperatuur op 6 gezet.
I'm adding
To bring it,
salt,
om het aan koken te brengen.
the pepper.
As you can see, the sel, poivre, zout en peper. According to taste, of course.
Fleur de sel or Celtic sea salt. Et là, c'est parti pour 15 minutes.
So 15 minutes. 15 minuten. And Bob's your uncle. Tante Ineke. By the way, it's the 13th of December. Happy birthday, Bella.
Friday the 13th. Lucky day.
Happy birthday to you, Bella. So, 15 minutes.
Yep. Rapide, délicieux.
Pardon?
Quick, nice, healthy.
Smoking break.
Still 5 minutes. It's already smelling really good.
Encore 5 minutes. Nog 5 minuten. It is so super bon. It smells really good. And really, you only added salt and pepper.
Yeah.
And coriander.
No, that's at
Oh,
the
not
end.
yet. Salt, pepper, butter, echalot, watercress,
And potato, that's it.
wow. When you have too much water, komt er trop de l'eau, met te veel water, you take some out. Neem je een beetje eruit. Doe dat zo. Doe dat zo. Het is zeker op de chef.
Minutes.
It's ready. And here we go. C'est parti.
Alors, mixer.
Has a very green smell. She's not impressed.
Voilà, il est temps d'ajouter la crème.
Oh, that was milk. Crème fraîche.
Liquide.
Crème liquide. Liquid. Not crème fraîche.
Si c'est la crème fraîche,
Ah.
mais liquide. Tu as crème fraîche épaisse, tu as crème fraîche liquide.
Yes, madame.
We have a special tasting spoon. And that's just to test there is enough salt and pepper.
Not enough salt for me because of the cream. Little advice, because I'm not really into cream. So When you add salt to cream, it's edible.
Alors, on va préparer une assiette. Un petit peu de nigel ou cumin noir.
Black cumin. Look.
And for your shin, cayenne pepper.
We'll explain why. We'll make a video about it.
Now,
As if there's mashed potato in it. Tu veux goûter?
Elles vont sûr que vous mettez des trucs d'amour.
T'es surprise. She's surprised. It tastes good.
What's your people? De Piqué and Paul.
Voilà.
simple, rapide et délicieux.
You already said that.
Et économique.
Voilà. It is now 20 minutes later, I think. Let's go and check.
Creator needs explaining. Everything has a function. Every plant can cure something. Scriptures from before, yet through our blood we know the score.
Bon bah, let's make a luck.